Here is a quick tour of a Park Suite King room at the Park Hyatt Zanzibar. We stayed there in July of 2024. As you enter, the bathroom is by the entrance. It is well appointed, with a nice soaking tub. Behind it are wooden doors that you can open up to get a view through the windows out to the ocean. That way, you can relax and soak in the tub, with a magnificent view. On the other side, you will find the toilet and the shower. Turning back to the entrance hallway, we head back into the main room. There is a closet, as well as a small coffee area with a mini fridge. Looking back, you can see how the entrance area is laid out. The closet was quite spacious, with hangers, an umbrella, iron, and ironing board, along with robes and slippers. Behind a third closet door, you find a set of shelves, some drawers, and a room safe. The coffee prep area has an espresso machine, an electric kettle, and a nice selection of teas and coffees. Opening the doors underneath, you find some additional cups and a mini fridge where you can keep things cool. Now turning to the main part of the room, we see a dresser and a TV across from the king-size bed. Similar to many beds in Africa, there are mosquito nets around the bed to prevent bugs from getting in while you sleep. There is a table and chair set in the corner, and another chair and small table next to the balcony, which is the main attraction of this room. Pulling aside the curtains and opening the door, you step out onto a large balcony, also with a table and chair set. Walking to the edge, we are captivated by amazing views of the beach and the clear blue waters of the Indian Ocean. The view is peaceful and relaxing, not only with people walking along the beach, but also a view of various boats and ships bobbing in the shining water. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe.